Hello everyone. Today I'm going to say something more about storage pricing and plans in Microsoft 365. In the first part, I focus on the home subscription. This is the second part that I'm going to say something more about the business one. Okay, let's start. The business subscription in Microsoft 365 is totally different story than in home. As I said in the first part, in home we have yearly payment and we don't have a lot of flexibility in terms of creating new users, etc. The business is different one. In the business plans, subscription, whatever we call it, we can choose one of three and each of them are paid per user monthly and is paid yearly. It means that you can create many of accounts under your subscription, assign them license and paid for such accounts. For example, if I choose the business basic and I need subscription for 10 users, the cost will be $60 per user. $6 per user, but I have 10 users, so it will be $60 monthly and per yearly. Yeah, and so generally we have more flexibility when we have some small or medium company, more flexibility for creation and assign the license. Okay, what we have under each of subscription? OneDrive for Business, Plan 1. There is not a lot of services behind that. Generally, we have OneDrive with storage of 1 terabyte. You can see that service included is just only OneDrive. So this is just storage in the cloud, yeah. In the second one, Microsoft 365 Business Basic, we have some advanced services included like Exchange, Teams, SharePoint. But also OneDrive in the same version like the previous one, 1 terabyte of data. The cost is bigger, but we have some application in the web that are available as Outlook, but not the desktop application. Outlook in the web. That's it, yeah. The more expensive is the business standard, but it is also more advanced. What we have additionally, comparing to the previous two, desktop version of some application. This is some additional service that are behind that. And generally the details, when you scroll down, the details are covered in this section, so you can expand each of them and read something more. You see the call features like total storage, as you see, is the same per each subscription. File sharing is the same, but we can see that under advanced security support and deployment and the rest of the categories we have some differences. So before you decide, just analyze everything and choose the best one that suits your need. Why? Because you will avoid not needed cost. Yeah. And generally that's it. So as I said, the business is completely different than home. So you can choose. You need to analyze before you choose. What I could recommend, just only for private use, the home will be the best. But if you have some small business or bigger business and you are looking for such service, just use one of these two, because as I said, the OneDrive for Business, it's just only cloud storage. I'm using for my private purpose training test this one. Why I didn't choose the home? Because I'm playing a lot with Microsoft 365 and I have some much more advanced stuff behind that, and also because I'm recording some movies about and learning about Microsoft 365. So this is the reason that I chose that one. You need to be also aware that for the very big company, like big corporation, there is totally different subscription for them, like enterprise, that are not described here and in many cases subscription or cost for subscription is like negotiation between such corporation and the Microsoft. Okay, that's it. So under the comment I will, as always, share the address of this webpage for Microsoft. I think it's very well prepared and described, so if you spend some time you can easily analyze what actually you need. Okay, thank you for watching and hear you soon.